Hey, in this video, I wanted to show you how to go about setting up a survey within the HighLevel software. So I'm going to go into my agency account and then actually into a location because I want to make sure that the survey or form is specific to the client or location for which I'm trying to create it for. So I'm going to go down here to marketing, to sites, and then I'm going to go over to forms and builder. Now, I've already created this one in as a form, so I'm going to check out this real quick. Nope, that's not what I want. So I am going to start afresh and actually create an entirely new survey. Okay, so now I'm going to bring up the survey of which I'm trying to create. And I know that it starts with, the most pertinent information, but what we're going to do with this survey is we're going to automate. So each field might have a different action that it creates, or dependent upon how they answer each question, the form is going to be handled in a different way. And that's kind of the great thing about automations, is when you're able to create automations within the system, it kind of frees up your time so you can offer a higher quality service to your clients. So we're going to start with the traditional information, and literally this software is so easy to use. It's got a drag and drop style format. So if you're even not tech savvy, that's okay, because you don't have to be. So you're going to move over the first name, last name, you got email, organization, phone. Now, I personally like to put this up here, or, phone or email phone, organization. Then we're going to collect the address. So address, city, state. There we go. And postal code. Okay. So then we're also going to place on here specialized fields. So when you have a special field or a field that's not being offered really in the drop down locations or in these locations that are, defaulted, you're going to create a custom field. And if you scroll down here, if you build them out or you customize options within the forms, it's also going to be picked up by surveys as well. So you don't have to recreate the wheel, which is another reason why this software just freaking is the bomb. So you're going to drag over phone number to forward calls to. Now, in order to do that, if you wanted to create a new custom field, you would scroll all the way to the bottom, add custom field. You're going to kind of indicate what type of information is going to be filled in that field. So say, for example, if you put text, but somebody's answering a phone number, then these are really smart and intuitive forms and surveys. So it's not going to allow the person to enter text-oriented information if the field is wanting a phone number, and vice versa. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. But you would literally just place text, and then you would type in what you want it to say. The placeholder is actually going to say, so if you wanted it to say phone, and then placeholder is going to say, please enter your phone number here. You can do that, and that's where you would do it. So the name of the field would be phone, the placeholder, or what the text, like right here, phone number you want to forward your calls to, that's going to be the phone holder. So it can really be whatever you want it to be. Okay, so now I've got phone number you want to forward your calls to. I'm going to drag over phone number you'd like to receive your text to, email to forward your leads to. So, and this kind of allows us to not have to go back and forth with a client multiple times when we're trying to collect information from them. And we don't have that, intense waiting. You know, they might be busy or overwhelmed with work because, like, you know, right now you're trying to automate for them. So they're probably doing a lot of hands-on transactions that they don't necessarily need to do. So you want to help them as much as possible to make this easy. The easier it is, the more apt they're going to get it done. The harder it is, the more apt they're not going to get to it. And then it's going to cause a conflict or frustration for them. And then they're going to churn. So they're going to drop off as a client with you. Okay. So hours of operations, stories. So I'm going to add those as well, which will give me an opportunity to show you. Let's see. Operating hours, story, birthday, most popular services, and a full list of services and top fears. Okay, so now I'm going to click, I have this as slide 1. I'm going to rename it to new client onboarding form. Okay. Perfect. And we're going to save. Oh, I forgot actually one question at the bottom. Would you like an online scheduler set up? There we go. And then I'm going to click save again. All right, so now I've shown you how to set up a survey and add custom fields within the HighLevel software. If you like this software or want to know more about it, drop a comment below or get in touch with me and I can give you more information. But this software fully automates a lot of hands-on transactions for business owners and brands. And it allows you to really spend time offering high quality service to your clients versus working in the business and being overwhelmed by all the manual day-to-day transactions that you're probably doing right now. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, make sure you reach out. But for more hacks, tips, tricks to make your business and brand a lot easier to manage, my name is Jennifer Kasmer, and I will see you in the next video.